Okay guys, in this video I will show you how to access and recover every image that you've created on ChatGPT in the past. Now this feature is mind-blowing and a lot of people don't even know that this exists. Let's say you generated images maybe last month or long ago, and you've been trying to recover this image because maybe you don't have the prompt of this particular image anymore. So I'll be showing you exactly how you can recover such image from your ChatGPT, right? So before you do that, make sure that your ChatGPT is updated, right? So mine is updated already. I'll just have to open. So once you open, you go to these two parallel line, you tap on it, then you come to these settings here, this sign of settings, you tap on it too, then you scroll down to storage. I hope you can see storage here. You click on storage. Now you can see document 0 kilobyte and images 220 megabyte. So I will now have to tap on this image, then we will allow it to load up, right? We'll allow it to load up. So as you can see guys, these are images that I've created in the past, right? These are images that I have created, including the ones I sent. So if you've sent an image to your ChatGPT, maybe to analyze something or to give you a prompt or anything, you will still be able to see it here. So how you can now recover this image? Just by tapping on any of them. Once you tap on any of them, you'll see this download sign. This is for you to recover the image, right? So once I click here now, this image will be saved in my device again, and these are images that I've created long ago that I already deleted from my device, and all of them are still piled up here. So guys, please do well to subscribe to this channel, as I will be bringing to you guys a lot of updates. See you on the next one.